Hey there, fellow beach enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. I'm Monica, your beach-loving host, and today I'm thrilled to take you along on an extraordinary beach adventure. As I step onto this magnificent beach, I'm instantly captivated by its raw beauty. The golden sand stretches as far as the eye can see, glistening under the warm sunlight. The crystal-clear water gently caresses the shore, inviting me to dip my toes in and feel the refreshing embrace of the ocean. What sets this beach apart is its dramatic coastline. Towering cliffs, carved by the relentless forces of nature, stand tall and proud, framing this picturesque oasis. The crashing waves against the rocks create a symphony of sound that resonates with my soul. The beach is secluded, hidden away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a true escape, a place where you can immerse yourself in serenity and reconnect with nature. As I stroll along, I can't help but feel a sense of tranquility wash over me, as if the worries of the world have been left behind. The wildlife here is incredible. I spot seagulls soaring through the sky, gracefully gliding on the ocean breeze. Pelicans dive from above, plunging into the water to catch their next meal. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of dolphins dancing in the distance, their playful nature a true delight to witness. I encourage you to explore the hidden treasures this beach holds. Wander along its shoreline and discover small tide pools teeming with colorful marine life. Marvel at the intricate seashells that adorn the sand, each one a unique masterpiece created by nature's artistry. I'm in awe of the untamed beauty that surrounds me, and I can't help but share this experience with you. If you're enjoying this virtual journey, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue to bring you these incredible beach adventures. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update from Beach Wanderlust with Monica. Together, let's embark on more remarkable beach explorations around the globe. Thank you for joining me on this awe-inspiring beach escapade. Until next time, keep chasing the sun, embracing the sand between your toes, and finding solace in the beauty of our natural world. Stay adventurous, my friends.